Hi everyone, this is Solitude Chatter. I'm Ian Riddell. Today is Thursday, December 8th. Wow, what a week we've just had. We've picked up 31 inches of snow since last week, this time last week, since last Thursday. And it's really been tremendous. Fantastic snow conditions out here.
265 to 266.
A few things we've been working on is getting more terrain open. The avalanche team's been working super hard with the ski patrol, working in our avalanche terrain, getting some slopes open. Some changes that we've experienced or gates we've opened this week would be the east face of the Honeycomb Canyon all the way out to Crystal Point. It's been open for the last 2 or 3 days. We've also opened the Hose Nose Gate and the Thews Gate into Cathedral Cirque and Middle Slope. Today, we've also opened the Milk Run. We have the Highway to Heaven open for backcountry access only. So if you are backcountry ready, you've got your beacon, you got your probe, you got your shovel, you got a partner, you can check in with Ski Patrol and they'll give you the current information. You can head out into the backcountry. So a lot's changed in the last few days. We have more snow on the way also. We're expecting some snow tomorrow, another 6 inches of snow to arrive on Friday or somewhere in that range. We're also expecting 1 to 2 feet, maybe 2 feet plus from Saturday through Tuesday. So we'll see how that system pans out. It's a little bit dynamic, so we'll see what we end up with there. Something we have noticed this year, a bit of a concern, is that people are ducking more rope lines, and that's a big problem for us when we're out there trying to do the avalanche work. I don't know if you're here a couple days ago, probably 3 or 4 days ago, Powderhorn lift was delayed opening. We had avalanche workers working in the Milk Run, and we didn't feel comfortable opening Paddlehorn lift due to risk to the workers in the Milk Run getting skied down upon by people that are going to violate that rope line. So as a result, we had to keep Paddlehorn lift closed, which is not ideal. But until we see a change in the behavior, we're just not willing for people to ski down on top of us while we're doing avalanche work. So please stop ducking those rope lines. I think everybody will thank you for that. All right, so that's where we're at. Just an amazing start up here. We got the sun out today. Conditions are all time for this time of year. And we look forward to more snow on the way and seeing you folks up here.